MacVoices is sponsored by Smile, the makers of world-class software like PDF Pen. Find out about all their great utilities at smilesoftware.com. Hi, I'm Chuck Joyner. This is MacVoices at CES in Las Vegas. Folks, we're in the Bellus3D booth. Eric is going to tell us what they're doing here with all their facial scanning technology. It's very interesting and fun to watch people get their faces scanned, but then you can do so much more with it. Eric, welcome. It's good to see you.
Yeah, thanks for coming by.
So this seems to be a very busy booth, very popular. So tell us what it is that you're doing here.
So what we've done is we've been able to bring 3D face capture to mobile phones and to mobile products to allow you to capture your face in 3D in about 10 to 15 seconds.
Wow.
It's a very exciting and compelling demonstration. And what we're seeing is that there's an increased interest in personalization, and that is being able to create products that are personalized to you, and the face is a very important part of that. So once people scan their face, there's a lot of things you can do with it. You can create custom eyeglasses that are measured exactly to the dimensions of your face. Opticians can place the lenses directly in the right spot so you can see accurately. So we're seeing a lot of interest by custom eyewear manufacturers. We're seeing a lot of interest in dentistry for people doing simulations of smile design. So when they want to get denture work done or teeth work done, they want to see before and after on their face. We're also seeing some fun uses. So here we have some figurines. So you can do a 3D figurine made from your face for wedding toppers to put on top of wedding cakes. Here's an example of some of the custom eyeglasses that have been done, custom swim goggles. So people are finding all sorts of very interesting applications to use once they're able to capture their face in 3D.
Okay, forgive me for geeking out just a little bit.
No, go right ahead.
But with the capture, is something of the dental or the eyeglass variety, is that something that you would do with an iPhone or iPad?
Oh, absolutely. So the accuracy that we capture with an iPhone is about 0.5 millimeters of accuracy in the depth face. So it's highly, highly accurate. I've gotten some glasses made that were custom made to my face. That they were incredible because they fit to the bridge of my nose, they fit to the exact temple length. The lenses were placed exactly in the right optical center. I saw great, and they fit great. So it's highly precise. All can be done with your iPhone 10.
Wow. Is that a result of your algorithms, or is it a result of the resolution of the iPhone, or a little bit of both?
It's a little bit of both. We're using the iPhone 10's Face ID camera, so we're using that depth camera for that. But in the course of your scanning your face left to right, we're capturing about 70 3D depth images and 70 RGB images, integrating them all into one 3D composite scan, and we're doing that all on the iPhone. So there's a lot of intellectual property that we've invested into doing that rapidly and quickly and easily for a consumer.
Okay, I'm geeking out again. What is a typical facial scan? How much size? How big is the file?
So the file size for what we call an OBJ file, which has got all the 3D data and the image data, runs about 7 megabytes. We're capturing about 500,000 points for us to capture all that data and integrate it.
Okay. Not as much as I would have thought, to be honest with you.
No, it's very compact.
Fascinating. So if I do this with your software, then do I come to your site to order some of the things?
Some of these figurine products?
Thank you. I couldn't say figurines.
Yeah, sure.
Figurines, and do I order glasses through you, or do I take that to an optician?
No, so the way that works is if you download our app on the Apple Store, you download our app, you can scan for free, and then once you scan your face, you can go to our marketplace. In our marketplace, we have a listing of the different providers that provide figurines, engraved crystals, and so we will provide a link that goes directly to their site that gives them access to your face model so they can do the manufacturing, and you order through them. For eyewear, those tend to be products that are offered by eyewear manufacturers, so they are using our technology, but you don't see that within our app.
Do you provide a list of eyewear professionals that are using your technology?
Yes, you can go to our website and we'll have a list of who we're working with. Tomorrow, in fact, at our booth, we have a company called Thema Optical. It's an Italian eyewear manufacturer. They're the ones that do these glasses right here. And they have stores in Italy. It's amazing. You go in, you scan your face. Within an hour, you've scanned your face, you've selected what material you want, what shape you want. Within an hour, you walk out of the store with your glasses. Really remarkable.
I assume there's 3D printing involved somewhere there.
Yes, it's a milling process. So if you look at here as an example, So what they've done is once they've taken the measurements, it goes into a milling machine. The milling machine mills it out. This has still been stuck, so we can show you the process. They just need to cut off those last pieces, and the frames are ready. You put them on, and out you go.
Now I got to go to Italy and try this.
Yes.
So the question, obviously, I have to ask. You say you download the app, you scan for free. How are you guys staying in business?
Oh no, we scan for free. If you want to save your file, your OBJ file, then at that point you would subscribe for a 30-day access. That's $8 to get access to the file itself. So that's one path. And the other is that we work with third-party developers like these eyewear companies, and they have an SDK that we provide to them. And so we have a revenue path through them for them to use the SDK.
Good.
In the end, we have to make money.
Oh, well, absolutely. And that's always the thing I think people forget. It's great. Boy, this will be fun to play with. And it is fun to play with for free. But if you want to do something with it, then you got to pay a little bit.
It's in everybody's interest. I mean, as a consumer, I want things for free. But each company has to survive so we can continue to do more of this fun development that we're doing. So
obviously, the app is in the App Store, but your website is?
www.bellus3d.com.
Eric, thanks so much for the time.
All right, thanks a lot for coming by.
Folks, we'll have more from CES in Las Vegas. Thanks for watching. Visit MacVoices.com for show notes and to connect with Chuck on social media. Get involved in our MacVoices Facebook group and get more out of your Apple Tech with MacVoices magazine, free on Flipboard. And if you find value in it all, consider supporting us at patreon.com/MacVoices and join these folks who help keep MacVoices coming to you. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com. Bandwidth provided by CashFly at cashfly.com.